This is what it's like to try to sleep rough in freezing temperatures in Belgrade. These are some of the 1,000 refugees and migrants who live on one meal a day in these conditions. RFERL's Balkan Service spent the night here. Najib is from Afghanistan.
All 3 nights we didn't sleep because we bring this kettle and making a fire on this and to warm the room.
Still, they shiver under dirty blankets on filthy mattresses and try to get some sleep in this derelict warehouse. The air is thick with acrid smoke from makeshift fires all around. There are no toilets, nowhere to wash, and no privacy. These men are mostly from Afghanistan and Pakistan. Some have declined to go to official Serbian migrant camps for fear of being deported. Others say they just can't get in.
Did you try to go to camp?
Yeah, we will try going to camp, but all the camps are full, and there is no place for new refugees. So that's why we are lying here.
An estimated 7,000 migrants have been stranded in Serbia following Balkan border closures last year, amid the European Union's attempts to control immigration. Here, these men are now just trying to survive.